Did you know there's a phone number you can call that supposedly connects you to the dead? They say if you dial it after midnight, you'll hear someone answer. But no one ever speaks first. The legend started in Japan, a number so cursed that every caller heard the same thing. A faint whisper, their own name. Then came reports from South Korea. People claimed they heard a loved one's voice, saying words no one else could know. One woman said she heard her late husband breathing, right next to her. Then her phone went dead. No signal, no record of the call. When she redialed the number, it didn't exist. Investigators traced one of the calls. It came from a disconnected line, from inside the caller's own house. So, if your phone ever rings from an unknown number, and you hear your voice whisper back, don't answer, because maybe you already did. If you're still here, maybe you're not afraid of the dark after all. Subscribe before the next story finds you first.